Hi guys, welcome to my channel Coding Good. Today we will learn how to make a translator in just 10 minutes. So without wasting my time, let's start. Here as you can see there are many pre-made blocks available on this application PictoBlocks. So to make a translator I don't want this Toby here. But you can also make the translator using this Toby and the other sprite available on this application PictoBlocks. I have a image of a translator and I will upload it here by the help of upload sprite. And as you can see there is a need for the modification of this sprite. So first I will delete this Toby and then I will go to costumes and here I will convert it into vector and now I will click on it and reduce its size. Now I will place it in the middle and now let's begin with the code. First choose this block, then choose this say block and write here, hi, I am a translator. If you want that your translator should introduce itself, so do the same as I am doing. And if you don't want, then I will say you and start from there. Now choose again this block and write, I can translate any word into your desired language. And now go to sensing, choose this ask block and write which word would you like to translate. Alright, now we need to store our answer. So go to variables and make variable. And now go to set my variable and then go to the sensing and choose this block answer and place it here. Now go to the sensing again and choose this ask block and write which language. Okay. And now we don't need anything to store our answer, so go to looks and choose this say block. And now we need an extension, then so go to the add extension and choose the extension name translate. Now from here as you can see there are only two blocks, and in the first block there is a list of languages present in the PictoBlocks. So place it here instead of hello and then go to the my variable and choose the translate and place it here. Now go to the sensing and choose answer here and now change its time to 2 seconds to 5 seconds and its time to 2 seconds, yes, and this time here 2 seconds only. Okay, now we want that our sprite should speak also, so go to the extension again and choose the text to speech and we will do the sequential coding. So go to the events again, choose this again and now go to the text to speech extension and take this block, copy the lines from the first one and paste it here. Now again take this and now copy the second one and paste it here. Alright guys, our translator is now ready to work, and if you don't want this translate checkbox here, so go to the variable and uncheck this. Okay, and now as you can see I am starting the code. See.
Hi. I am a translator. I can translate any word into your desired language.
See, it is working. So our coding is correct. Thank you guys, and please like, share and comment. If you want a video regarding the application PictoBlocks, please do comment below this video. Thank you.